Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have a slight risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses most of Nebraska and north central Kansas. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Lincoln, Nebraska, Salina, Kansas, Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, and Fremont, Nebraska. And there are two marginals for tomorrow. One covering far northeastern Colorado, parts of western, northern, and eastern Nebraska, southern South Dakota, parts of Kansas, northern half of Missouri, southern half of Iowa, southeastern half of Wisconsin, northern half of Illinois, and northwestern Indiana. A second marginal tomorrow covers east central Texas, parts of Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, the northwestern part of the Florida Panhandle, parts of Georgia, most of South Carolina, most of North Carolina, and southern Virginia. Cities in tomorrow's marginals include Chicago, Illinois, Charlotte, North Carolina, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kansas City, Missouri, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Alright? Going to tomorrow's tornado threat. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that covers east central Iowa, southeastern Wisconsin, and north central Illinois. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, and Naperville, Illinois. Going to tomorrow's wind threat, there is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering much of Nebraska and northern Kansas. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes Lincoln, Nebraska, Salina, Kansas, Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, and North Platte, Nebraska. There are two areas where we have 5% wind risk areas for tomorrow. One covering southern South Dakota, western, northern, and eastern Nebraska, far northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, parts of Iowa, northern half of Missouri, northern half of Illinois, southeastern half of Wisconsin, and northwestern Indiana. A second 5% tomorrow covers far east central Texas, parts of Louisiana, southern Mississippi, southern Alabama, the northwestern part of the Florida Panhandle, parts of Georgia, most of South Carolina, most of North Carolina, and southern Virginia. The 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Charlotte, North Carolina, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kansas City, Missouri, and New Orleans, Louisiana. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts to reach or exceed 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright? The black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 60 to 70 miles per hour. The black dashed area includes Kearney, Nebraska, North Platte, Nebraska, Hayes, Kansas, and Lexington, Nebraska. Now for tomorrow's hail threat, there is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, covering most of Nebraska and the very far northern edge of Kansas. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Grand Island, Nebraska, Kearney, Nebraska, Fremont, Nebraska, North Platte, Nebraska, and Norfolk, Nebraska. And there are two areas where we have 5% hail risk areas for tomorrow. One covering southern South Dakota, western, northern, and eastern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, northern Kansas, parts of Iowa, northern Missouri, northern Illinois, southeastern half of Wisconsin, and far northwestern corner of Indiana. And the other 5% hail risk tomorrow covers southern Virginia, most of North Carolina, and most of South Carolina. Tomorrow's 5% hail risk areas tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Charlotte, North Carolina, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Kansas City, Missouri, and Virginia Beach, Virginia. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches, really. The black dashed area is the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. The black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly inch to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. In summary, scattered damaging hail, some greater than 2 inches in diameter, and severe wind gusts may occur over parts of the Central Plains late Friday afternoon and evening. Scattered storms, some with severe wind gusts and hail, also are possible across parts of the Midwest and Southeast. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Whether you're in the slight or the marginal, since you never know what's like marginal can pull off sometimes. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and just in case the threat goes into tomorrow night, make sure you have a way of being notified for severe weather tomorrow night, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone, to wake you up to go to your safe spot. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tomorrow night to avoid having to move during the night. And make sure that safe spot, and try to stay away from windows. Make sure that safe spot is in the lowest level. Make sure that safe spot is in the lowest level of the building you're in. And again, try to stay away from windows tomorrow night. So, in summary, scattered damaging hail. Wait, already mentioned that. Sorry, just a little bit of a habit. So anyway, stay safe tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's day 1 severe weather outlook video. Take care.